Hey guys, we're at Nico Marine Park because it is actually a class picnic and it's K5 to 7th grade. And we're gonna be swimming until 2 o'clock. And what time is it right now?
Maybe 12.
It's 12 o'clock. It's almost 1. And then it's gonna be 2. You guys can see the kayaks here. You can see a view of the It's pretty much here. Are you still pretty?
Yep.
Hi.
Look at that shy face, man. I knew you had a thing.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't have that thing.
Yes, you
I
did.
didn't have that thing.
May it.
I don't have that thing. I didn't have that thing.
Yes, you did.
Look at it.
You had a thing for those girls.
A boy already has it. DJ already has her.
What's her name?
Her name is Gabriella and JJ likes her.
Oh, yeah?
Expose. I'm sorry if JJ don't post this on. Are you gonna post this?
Yeah.
Hopefully JJ doesn't see this because if he's gonna see this, he's gonna be like, oh my yeah!
He knows everything is yapping, is Palawan. Okay, you know what? You keep up the way you are. Okay. So go with your daddy. Alright. And enjoy.
I've got something to tell you that's playing on my mind. Never thought I would come to say this, but your love is hard to find. And I know that you're the one to give me love and attention. And your smile is like the sun shining high